Hello and welcome to Rocky Mountain RV in beautiful Butte, Montana. My name is Barry Waddell and today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Cyclone 3513. Now Cyclone comes standard with 6-point automatic leveling, 5500 Onan generator, four-step entry front and rear door, outside speakers. Now this particular unit has the S5 package on it, which you get a couple upgrades for that. This unit's also opted with a rear patio. Steps off the patio make it nice for getting in and out of the unit. This unit also has 3 awnings. All the awnings, as you can see, have LED light recessed in them. Actually put off a pretty good light. Alright, now stepping inside the 3513, coming off the patio of course. You have your convertible sofa here. This turns into a queen size bed with a queen overhead. Electric pull down screen. You just touch a button. It's going to keep the mosquitoes out for you. Now the 3513 is a bath and a half unit. Washer dryer hookups off the garage. Stepping into the unit. The S5 package comes with a furniture upgrade, so you'll have little docking ports here for little fold-away tables. Of course, recliner features there. On the back of your center console, you have a charging port, solid surface countertop, 55-inch TV, 3-burner Furrion cooktop, convection oven below, standard microwave, and then the 18 cubic foot Polar Max. Important thing about the 18 cubic foot Polar Max is it will run on gas and electric. Very important to be able to run on gas if you're planning on taking trips off the grid. Yeti package on this particular unit. Little flip of a switch here. You're in colder weather, that'll protect your tanks from freezing on the underside. Even though this unit has an enclosed heated underbelly, just a little added security if you need it. Stepping up into the bedroom area now. Plenty of storage everywhere in this coach. King size bed. Entry into the bathroom off the bedroom here. Fiberglass, one-piece tub surround, which makes it nice because of course plastic in our climate up here in Montana have a chance of breaking it when it's cold. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Now that's a quick look at the 3513 here at Rocky Mountain RV in beautiful Butte, Montana. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-822-1114. We're always happy to talk trailers. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and we look forward to talking to you.